Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY Residence. Today's video is a special video. For the first time on my channel, I'll be hosting an open invite. I'm inviting all of you to share your beautiful craft in hopes to inspire others to get crafting. So this open invite, I would like everyone to create one or many farmhouse or bohemian related home decor projects. It could be anything ranging from Dollar Tree, dollar store, trash to treasure, you name it. Make everyone inspired by your craft. So every month I'll be hosting an open challenge where everyone will get the chance to participate and place their video on a playlist so that everyone else can enjoy from it. So here are the rules for my challenge. So thank you so much for listening to this video, and I hope to invite so many of you to join this playlist, and I can't wait to see what everyone has to share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.